In this video, I'm gonna share a quick plant-based protein recipe. It includes two dishes. One is Saute Mushroom, the other is Chickpea Salad. Okay, let's go. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Serena Lee. I share quick tips on how to pursue a healthy lifestyle and easy cooking recipes for plant-based diet. If you're interested in my content, please consider to subscribe my channel. First, I'll introduce all the ingredients you will need to make these two dishes. I'll introduce the ingredients for chickpea salad first. Then I will introduce the ingredients to cook sauteed mushroom. For chickpea salad, you will need rinsed and drained chickpea, some bell pepper, small cucumbers, more greens, and olives. I use a canned olive. I just chop them off, and then small tomatoes. But all these ingredients you can substitute with whatever you like. And after you prepare all these ingredients, what you need to do is just mix them up and add some of your favorite salad dressing. You're ready to go. I also recommend you to make your homemade salad dressing, which is healthier. If you are interested, let me know in the comment, and I will share how to make my own salad dressing in my next video. Okay, so to make sauteed mushroom, all you need is mushroom. Here I use baby bella mushrooms. You can also replace with any other kind of mushrooms you like. And you will need salt, ground pepper, and some herbs you like. It's even better if you use fresh ones. You also need extra virgin oil or butter and 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Okay, so these are the all ingredients you need for these two dishes. Now let's go on to the next step, cooking. So now I'm gonna leave it on the side because I'm not ready for it yet. I'm gonna cook sauteed mushroom first, and then I'll come back to add salad dressing. First, add some olive oil. Saute for 4 to 5 minutes after adding herbs. And then add the 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Please remember this is only for one person. If you're cooking for family, please increase the amount of the ingredients. Also, to make it easier for you, I will include the preparation, ingredients, and the cooking process in my description below. I hope my tutorial was clear enough, but if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.